हर क्लास का सिलेबस डिज़ाइन किया जाता है बहुत ही सोच समझ के। आर्ट करिकुलम गोल्स एंड लर्निंग्स फॉर द प्रिपरेटरी स्टेज। नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क जो है इसमें क्या बात की गई है? इन द प्रिपरेटरी स्टेज स्टूडेंट्स कंटिन्यू देयर ओन आर्टिस्टिक एक्सप्लोरेशंस while also developing curiosity towards the local art forms and artists, and they learn to exercise their choice of materials, tools and themes for creative expression. In this stage they are initiated into the processes of reviewing, editing, rehearsing and completing artwork while working individually and collaboratively. हर बच्चा जो है अगर चीटिंग करके ना करे काम, तो हर एक का जो एक नज़रिया होता है वो बिल्कुल अलग अलग होता है। अभी 2 वीक्स पहले जो है कुछ चीज़ों के लिए हम मतलब फील्ड वर्क पे गए थे, तो वहाँ पे जो स्टूडेंट्स थे जो भी ड्राइंग कर रहे थे उनकी ड्राइंग जो है वो बहुत ही वंडरफुल थी, बिल्कुल सबकी यूनिक थी, सबकी अलग थी, सभी अपने माइंड से जो है उसको ड्रॉ कर रहे थे। उसके बाद हम बात करते हैं करिकुलम गोल्स। तो करिकुलम गोल्स रखे जाते हैं। करिकुलम गोल फर्स्ट नंबर 1 पे ये है कि डेवलप कॉन्फिडेंस टू एक्सप्लोर। बच्चों के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस भरना ताकि वो एक्सप्लोर कर सकें, डिपिक्ट कर सकें, सेलिब्रेट कर सकें ह्यूमन एक्सपीरियंस को थ्रू द आर्ट्स। तो इसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? कॉम्पिटेंसेस विजुअल आर्ट्स के लिए एक्सप्रेसेस एंथुजियाज्म टू क्रिएट अ वैरायटी ऑफ इमेजेस दैट डिपिक्ट देयर एवरीडे लाइफ, इमोशंस एंड इमेजिनेशन, डिस्कसेस अ वैरायटी ऑफ आइडियाज एंड रिस्पॉन्सेज while working collaboratively in the visual arts. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट गोल रखा गया है exercises their imagination and creativity freely in the arts. Creatively uses different combinations of visual elements, line, form, color, space, texture while depicting their everyday observations, personal experience and feelings. Compares and contrasts the visual elements, themes and expressions of artwork shared in the classroom. फिर नेक्स्ट जो है वो है एक्सप्लोर बेसिक प्रोसेसेस, मटेरियल्स एंड टेक्निक्स इन द आर्ट्स, मेक्स चॉइसेस व्हाइल वर्किंग विद द मटेरियल, टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स यूज्ड इन द विजुअल आर्ट्स, practices steps of planning, executing and presenting while creating visual artwork individually and collaboratively. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है वो है explores beauty in their surroundings and develops an interest in a variety of local art forms and cultural practices, recognizes visual elements in nature and describes their artistic quality, demonstrates curiosity towards the local art form and culture. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है वो थिएटर वाला। तो इसमें क्या है करिकुलम गोल? डेवलप्स कॉन्फिडेंस टू explore, depict, and celebrate human experience through the arts, expresses enthusiasm to depict a variety of objects, people, situation, experiences in drama activities, discuss own thoughts and responses while working collaboratively in the dramatic arts. Next, exercises their imagination and creativity freely in the arts. Creates and performs drama in the classroom based on the everyday events by combining various characters, roles, situations, spaces, and basic props, compares and contrasts themes and elements of drama and related artistic expressions created in the classroom. Next जो है वो क्या है? Next curriculum goal explores basic processes, materials and techniques in the arts, make choices while working materials, tools and techniques used in the dramatic arts, practices steps of planning, executing and presenting while creating drama individually and collaboratively. उसके बाद next जो है वो क्या है? explores beauty in their surroundings and develops an interest in a variety of local art forms and cultural practices, recognizes elements of drama and movement in the nature and describes their artistic qualities, demonstrates curiosity towards the local art forms and culture. Next जो है वो क्या है करिकुलम गोल में? develops confidence to explore, depict and celebrate human experience through the arts, expresses enthusiasm to practice and perform music that is familiar to them, discuss own thoughts and responses while working collaboratively in the music. उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट है वो क्या है यहाँ पे? exercises their imagination and creativity freely in the arts, makes choices while working with the voices, instruments and arrangements used in the music, contributes ideas while selecting music for the performance and participates in the rehearsals. Explore basic processes, material and techniques in the art, make choices while working with the voices, instruments and arrangements used in the music, contributes ideas while selecting music for performance and participates in the rehearsals, explores beauty in their surroundings and develops an interest in a variety of local art forms and cultural practices, recognizes musical elements in the nature and describes them artistic qualities, demonstrates curiosity towards local art forms and culture. Next जो है वो है dance and movements. Dance डांस एंड मोमेंट्स में करिकुलम गोल्स जो है वो क्या रखा गया है, डेवलप्स कॉन्फिडेंस टू एक्सप्लोर, डिपिक्ट एंड सेलिब्रेट ह्यूमन एक्सपीरियंस थ्रू द आर्ट्स, expresses enthusiasm to practice and perform the dance and movement that is familiar to them, discusses ideas and responses while working collaboratively in dance and movement. Next curriculum goal, exercise their imagination and creativity freely in the arts, creates and practices dance and movement sequences based on the everyday actions and personal experiences, compares and contrasts movements, rhythms, postures, themes and expressions in a variety of dance and movement styles introduced in the classroom. Next, explores basic processes, materials and techniques in the arts, makes choices while working with movement steps, instruments, costumes and arrangements used in the dance and movement, contributes ideas while selecting dance and movement sequences for the performance, and participates in the rehearsals, recognizes elements of dance and movements in the nature, and describes their artistic qualities, demonstrates curiosity towards local art forms and culture, explores beauty in their surroundings, and develops an interest in a variety of local art forms and cultural practices. इधर जो है ये क्या है, develops an enjoyment of the arts and exercises their creativity and imagination in the visual and performing arts activities. Visual and performing arts में क्या है, creates and presents a variety of artwork to communicate their ideas and emotions in any of the visual and performing art forms, emphasis on the variety in the music, painting, drawing, crafts, drama, dance and movement and local art forms, describes the variety materials, tools and processes used in the visual and performing arts and demonstrates familiar with the some of these in their own artwork. Example, identifies and names some musical instruments and demonstrates simple beats on a dholak, khanjira, bells, utensils, or one's own body, clapping, tapping, making different sounds using mouth and voice, creates artwork collaboratively and shares own thoughts and feelings while responding to arts and culture in their surrounding. कहने का मतलब ये है कि करिकुलम डिज़ाइन जो भी किया जाता है उसमें रखा जाता है विजुअल आर्ट्स, थिएटर और म्यूज़िक और डांस एंड मूवमेंट्स और विजुअल एंड परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स. ठीक है.